Hey everyone, how's it going? Today I want to show you guys how to draw an orca. So to start off with this, we're going to begin with a face, and I'm going to start right here, and I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve up. It's going to go over and then kind of curve up like this. Then I'm just going to kind of curve this down a little bit, and then I'm going to go back up like this. So it's just kind of curves up, down, and then up a little bit. Now, orcas have a really big fin, so starting here, you want to draw a line that's going to go up and it's going to kind of curve. You want it to be kind of rounded for the point, and then it's just going to come back like this. Now, starting back here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve up, and then it's just going to go down for the end where the tail's going to go. Now, coming back here, I'm going to draw a little line that goes in, and then I'm going to start right here, and I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to curve down, and I'm going to stop right about there. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a line inside, and I'm just going to kind of curve this down, and then I'm going to curve it up here, and then go in for the flipper. Now, I want to kind of line up this line, and I'm going to start here, and I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to curve, and then I'm just going to go up, and I'm going to bring it really close to this line. Now for the tail. Starting right here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to curve down like this. Then I'm going to start here, and I'm going to kind of curve in, and then I'm going to curve, or I should say I'm going to curve out and then kind of come back in for one side of the tail. And then starting here, I'm just going to kind of curve out and then in, almost like a little S shape. And then I'm just going to curve down here like this, just to kind of finish off the tail. Now, starting right here, I want to add that other flipper. So I'm going to start here, and I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to go down, and then it's just going to curve up right to here. Now for the little details inside. So starting right here where I kind of curved in just a little bit, I'm going to just draw a line that's just going to curve up, and then it's just going to go down, and I'm going to bring it all the way over to this flipper right there. Now, starting over here on the stomach, I'm going to just draw a line. I'm going to go up, and I'm going to kind of curve this around, and then I'm just going to bring it back to about here. Then up here, I'm going to have another little mark. So I'm just going to draw a little line that's just going to kind of go down, and then it's going to curve up like this. And then we have one more mark over here by where the eye is going to go. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to go down, and then I'm just going to kind of curve this around, and just kind of bring it up to here. Then orcas, it's really hard to see where the eye is. The eyes are going to be right about here. I'm just going to make a small little black dot with a little line above it for kind of where the eye is going to be. And this will probably get covered up when we color it anyway, but just so you guys can see where it is. And there you go. There is your drawing of an orca. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.